if you counter us in Facebook, then we will counter you as well. If you posted na skin tax, hindi. We posted na this is what truly happened and this is the essence of our ordinance. Because if you fight in Facebook, then we will fight there as well. We can do it. We can explain ourselves because in everything that we do, yung mga employees namin dyan, they try, we always capitalize them on what to do if in fact there are tourists that will complain, because this is always a normal thing, di ba?
I see. If you may allow me, Mayor, to ask, what are those 3 priorities you're tackling since from your first day of office until now?
3 things.
Yeah.
Una, for me, is closest to my heart, education. So yung mga plataforma ko, sinabi ko talaga na education is the one thing we give to each and everybody na hindi makukuha ng iba. Diba? So it cannot be stolen, it cannot be given, it is for you and you alone. So I make sure na yung mga teachers are well equipped to help the children, because nakikita natin sa data. Last 2020, if I am correct, the data for reading comprehension was about 80%. Ngayon, bumaba to about maybe 40%, which is a big drop in the reading comprehension of a child. So what's the problem? What's wrong? So it's a holistic approach. First, we capacitate the teachers. How do we make sure that they are fully equipped to teach the students? Second, we see nutrition. If the child is eating correctly, is eating healthy foods, then the child will be able to learn more. So I make a way na yung local school board ko and my local health board, with the help of the funds from PMNP, is capitalized, and we capacitate it, and we make sure na all the funds that will go there will be directly felt to the child. A good example of it is if you are familiar of the ARAL program from DepEd, diba? ARAL program is a tutoring program from DepEd na yung mga hindi nakakabasa correctly, those who do not know how to read and to comprehend what they are reading, the children are taught by the teacher tutors. So, how do we...
Ibig sabihin,
You listen, we talk.